This product is from UTK. Heat for pain relief, far infrared neck heating wrap. The benefits: enhance blood circulation, helps muscular relaxation, keep warmth and relieves pain. Check utktechnology.com. Here is the instruction manual and the heating pad itself. Nice. Comes with USB-C cable, UTK battery pack. Now first we need to charge with a USB-C cable. Once fully charged, you can press this button that you can see it's fully charged. Grab your heating pad. Heavy. There is one pouch on this end connected to the USB port. Put it inside the pouch. Close the zipper, and to activate, you press and hold this button. There is the red. Press it again, that's the blue, and again is the green. Now to turn it off, just press and hold, and it's off. Yes, definitely after you turn it on and let it run for a couple minutes, it's really hot in the red mode, and I can feel the heat on my neck. It is a cool heating pad, very nice for outdoor use. Definitely I can feel really warm right now, so I'm gonna turn it down to the blue mode, medium, moderate, because it's really hot. It's getting hot. I could tell you that this definitely it works great if you spend too much time on your mobile device and then you have neck pain. This product definitely works to alleviate the pain. The green button, it's a low temperature. The low temperature is 104 Fahrenheit. It might last from 4.5 to 6 hours. The blue is for medium temperature, 138 Fahrenheit. It might last from 2.5 to 3 hours. The red, a high temperature 149 Fahrenheit, it might last from 1.5 to 2 hours. According to the manufacturer, this is matching washable. Obviously you need to remove the battery power bank from the heating pad and then put it on the washer and dry it.